welcome to my beauty channel. Today is a very special day. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be doing this neutral summer look. This is another like soft glam look with some alternative colors, but what makes today so special is today is giveaway time. So yes, I will be doing a giveaway. Make sure you check out the end of the video to see what that is. A lot of the products that is going to be in the giveaway I did use on my face today, or at least I think it's just one of the products. So let's get right into it. All right, so jumping right in, I'm using the Talkin Flirty by Morphe. It's such a pretty palette, like, oh my gosh, this look is so easy, it's ridiculous. So the first shade I'm going in with is called Lock Eyes. This palette is so cute with its little nicknames for the colors. This is just a chocolate brown, true chocolate brown, and I'm placing that in the crease, the outer corner, and then I'm just blending it up. When I say I am being so messy with this, I'm being so messy, like I'm not too precise. I make sure I have the color placed where I want it, and then I'm just blending the edges using a fluffy brush. This brush I believe is by Sigma, I want to say, but you can use any fluffy brush that you have. I tend to use Morphe. So to blend out the edges, I'm using the shade Chance It, and I'm literally just like dabbing a little bit of that. That's why I go by it so fast, because it's barely used. Next shade, I'm blending this into my cut crease area. It's called You're Cute, and it's this really peachy orange, which is actually the perfect shade to put all over the lid if you're going for a more neutral look. And then to finish off the eyelid, I'm going in with Drop a Hint, which is this really pretty like beige color, and it's all matte. So then I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer, so I went in with the shade Into You, and I just placed that in the inner corner, and I'm also blending that into the beige shade to just kind of bring everything together. Now that completes this look. Boom! Now I added some lashes. These are SoHo by Coco Lashes, and then I'm moving on to skin. For skin, I'm using the Wet n Wild Hydrating Primer, and I'm just why can't I talk? I'm just mixing that, oh my god, I'm just pressing that into my skin. And now for foundation, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation. This is the Dewy foundation, which I didn't think that I would like, but I actually love it. Like, I'm more of a matte foundation kind of girl, but this Dewy foundation is not too dewy to the point where you would look greasy if you were an oily person. Like, my nose area is typically where I get pretty oily, and it actually is not that bad with this foundation. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This has become like my favorite concealer. It's full coverage, it's affordable, it's lightweight even though it's full coverage, and when I say it blends like a dream, oh my god, this concealer blends like a dream. Okay, like, just look at that, seamless. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that. I'm using a Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge, and then I went in with my powder. I believe I used the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in banana bread, and I'm not only setting, but yes, I have started baking again. So for bronzer, I went in with, I cannot remember the shade, it would definitely be in the description box, but I used the my Morphe palette, like highlight and contour palette. I used it for my bronzer and my highlighter. So the names for that will be down in the description box. So after I dusted away my powder, I couldn't decide on what type of eyeliner I want to use. Now you could do a pop of color, you could use a nude eyeliner if you want your eyes to be more open, but for me, I used a black eyeliner. This is Swerve by ColourPop, my favorite eyeliner. Now I'm going back in with that brown, and I'm blending out my lower lash line, and that literally completes the eyes. There's nothing else to do but add mascara. So for blush, I'm going in with it's the 8W or W8 palette by Morphe, and I'm adding my blush, one of the blushes from there, and then I'm coating my lower lashes with mascara. I'm in my dining room, and it's like 12 o'clock at night, so I'm trying to be quiet. So now I'm setting my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I am not a fan of the rest of the setting mist that they came out with. I like the original. It makes me happy. And then I'm going in with, like I said, the highlight from the highlight and contour palette. And the shade name will be in the description box because I have it in my phone, but I don't feel like looking. So I'm going to go ahead and, you know, add my highlight to the high points of my cheeks, the tip of my nose, and then the bridge. I only add it from like my eyes to like the center. I don't connect. And then I don't know what this part is called. It's not the Cupid's bow, but it's right underneath your nose. So now I'm lining my lips. This is one of the Morphe lip liners that I got that was in my haul video. I believe it's called Vibes. And then I'm using Ruffle Trim by NYX Liquid Lingerie. It's their matte liquid lipstick. And then to top it off, I am using the Butter Gloss by NYX in Bit of Honey. At first I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, but I ended up using it. Oh, I'm sorry. I just looked in my phone. It is not the Morphe lip liner. It is actually the NYX Suede matte lip liner in Vintage. So, correction. My bad. Feeling myself. Let's go. Alright guys, if you've made it all the way to the end of the video, this is the giveaway. So for this giveaway, this will be my summer giveaway. I am going to be giving away a couple of things. So I have the palette that I used on my eyes today. This is the 18F Talkin Flirty by Morphe. So as you guys saw, it had a lot of pretty neutral tones, but it had a couple of pops of color. This is perfect for like every day. I absolutely love it. So one of you all will win this. Then I also have the Juvia's Place Berries palette. This is one of their mini palettes, so this is also going to be in there. For summer, we have some press-on nails. These are the Kiss Gel press-on nails. I'm not really sure the color, but it's kind of like an apricot color. It's really pretty. I've got a pair of lashes. These are some natural lashes for every day. These are by Salon Perfect. These are the Wispy 614. I also have a Makeup Revolution clear gloss. This is the Gloss Bomb. It's supposed to be plumping, but it's not. It's really minty feeling. I have the Wet n Wild Mega Liquid Lipstick. This is a high shine liquid lipstick in the shade Peach Slide My Look. I'm sorry, Peach Stole My Look. And then a matte liquid lipstick. This is the Catsuit Lipsticks by Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Nudist Peach. Then I have 3 eyeliners. I have the Morphe Blank Slate White Eyeliner, the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liners, and this is in the shade Electric, which is a really pretty blue. I have the ColourPop Liquid Liners, and this is in the shade The Hills. And the last thing is a Super Shock Shadow in the shade Amaze. So all of these products will be in the giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is to be subscribed to my YouTube and my Instagram. All of the plugs for that will be down in the description box, as well as leave a comment down below what your favorite drugstore makeup brand is. Mine's is between Morphe and ColourPop. Despite any controversy that either of them may have had, I love both brands. I think they're very affordable and they're awesome. So those are the only things that you have to do to enter, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And bonus, if I pass my goal of 1K for this giveaway, then I will actually pick 2 winners. So there'll be a second place winner, and that winner will get a 18F and a 18T. This is the neutral one, and this is the same one that's in the regular giveaway. And this giveaway will be going on for 2 weeks. So at the end of the month, I will announce the winner. So make sure that you all subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below on your favorite drugstore makeup brand. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, mwah, stay blessed. Okay, bye.